Hello, everyone, and thank you for tuning in. Today, we're going to be looking at Bitcoin, its valuations against the US dollar. Um, just a video to say relax. Nothing insane is going on. It seems like the sentiment on crypto Twitter and like our cryptocurrency or whatever is really talking about the Bitcoin shorts and just the price movement that we're back above $40,000. We were here, you know, a week ago, 2 weeks ago. If we look at the weekly, we could see the week of May 24th, we were here. Week of May 31st, we just hit below it. So with that said, this is nothing too impressive. Okay, just to put things into perspective, we still need to rally another 22% to get to the 20-week moving average, which is in my opinion the more important like milestone for Bitcoin at the moment, and we're again 22% away. So about 1/5 of the price we would need to increase. And so getting to $40,000 is great and maybe it provides some short-term relief for you guys, but it's nothing special. It's nothing to um, really go crazy over. It doesn't really warrant the sentiment that's happening, but to each their own, I guess. But that's essentially, what I really wanted to just bring up to you guys. If we do get to the 20-week moving average, we can then start talking about potentially breaking it. I'm sure already people are talking about how we're going to break it because we're now at $40,000. Um, so with that said, relax. We already know that this journey is going to be a long and arduous one to the 20-week moving average, let alone to whatever market cycle peak you have in mind, whether that's 100, 200, $300,000. Um, that is even a longer ways away, and it's already going to be a long and arduous journey to get back above the 20-week moving average. We know how long it's going to take. We know how long it's going to take. We've seen it before. We've seen it take, as quick as maybe 98 days, or even quicker, 42 days. Currently, we are roughly, until when this week closes, we are 28 days below the spent below the 20-week moving average. We haven't even gotten to a point where we touched the 20-week moving average and made support. We know that it can even take longer than a year in some cases to get back above it. Obviously, this was 406 days, and this was during the bear market after the market cycle peak. So, with that said, with all those things considered, 28 days doesn't seem like a long enough time, in my opinion, to be below to get back above the 20-week moving average. I fear that people are going to really take in the hype right now. They're very excited, and then when Bitcoin gets to the 20-week moving average and the likely outcome of it is getting rejected, again, sentiment can turn on you and immediately everyone's bearish. Just out of curiosity, we are going to look at the shorts on Bitfinex, and we could see that it's further increasing. It's getting higher. It's not stopping. We can look at the longs as well, and I believe that they are also increasing. Yeah, they're going up too. So it seems at this moment, because of the lack of volatility, I would say this is kind of lack of volatility that among other things, right? We had a pretty nice week last week, and people might think $40,000 is going to be resistance, hence the increase in shorts. Um, at the on the same like on the other side of that coin, however, people see this trend moving up. They think it's going to continue, and therefore longs go up. So it's not just shorts that are going up. It is longs, and that is something to take into consideration. It just means that people are getting leveraged. They are getting leveraged. And when that's going to happen, what could happen is some pretty impressive price action coming soon. Okay, coming soon. So if there's one thing I tell you guys is to buckle up. Maybe we see eventually down the line. Maybe maybe it's early this week anyway. It's only Tuesday, but maybe even into next week. If there's any kind of blip on the a significant move from Bitcoin, be prepared for the pendulum to swing pretty hard the other way. Only because you can see the shorts are increasing. You can see that the longs are increasing, and um, people are getting pretty leveraged. And that would be my conclusion. People are getting pretty leveraged, and I don't know what their liquidation prices are, if they're or how much leverage they are adding, but they are adding leverage. And so with that said, things can get pretty ugly in a hurry. Regardless if you're a long or a short, the price is going to swing pretty hard. So that would be the conclusion I would make from that. In the meantime, $40,000 isn't anything special. We've been here before many times. Anyway, that is all for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.